Going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 3rd of February. It is Friday night. It is 10 of 9 o'clock on the East Coast. We are looking at Shiba Inu, currently up 10.3%. We came on here making a video. We're watching the markets here. We are watching Shiba. We are watching Casper. And it looks like the rest of the markets on this watch list are currently in the red, but Shiba and Casper are in the green. Big time. So guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the subscribers and new subscribers. Welcome, guys. Quick recap here on Shiba. This is a daily chart. This is the Coinbase data on tradingview.com. Ticker symbol SHIBUSD. This is Shiba Inu / United States dollar. All right, so on my chart, if you are new, we have a bunch of lines. I just added these a couple of minutes ago to this daily chart. So we were long Shiba Inu from basically yesterday's low, which was roughly, let's see, the 1205 area. We took a trade Thursday night, I believe it was. It might have been Wednesday night. And we closed that trade the prior day for a 6% return. It was a very small position, but we saw an opportunity, and I'll show you what that opportunity was, and then we'll get back into the lines on the chart. So we had basically a 45-degree line like that, and what we were looking for, if you have not guessed already, was a break above that. So that wedge, we're looking for a break above that. Let me zoom in on the chart here so it's easier for you guys to see. So we got that breakout, which was on the 2nd. So that was yesterday. Basically, right after we bought Shiba, it was probably around 8 o'clock at night. We started to get a bounce, slowed down. The next morning, I believe it was, we were up 6%. We took our profits on the trade. We were happy with the small amount of money we made. All is well. We saw an opportunity, took the trade, closed it for a very small profit, pay for some coffee or lunch, and then moved on. The point is, it's not about the position size. It was about the putting an example out there in the shorts feed that when there's an opportunity, you want to act on it every time as long as you can. Doesn't matter to us whether it's Shiba Inu or XRP, Bitcoin Cash, XLM. Doesn't matter what it is. If there's an opportunity to take a trade and make some money, then we take it. All opinions put aside for Shiba Inu. I could care less about Shiba Inu. I believe way more in other projects, of course. But there's a money-making opportunity, and as traders, that's what you're looking for. Anyways, that's that. And then not long ago, we saw this thing up, I think it was up around 11%, and we're fading right now, and I'm going to show you why we're fading at the levels we are. So we're getting a nice pump here, and then Casper as well is pumping. So on my chart, guys, I have these lines, right? So the lines above the market are targets. The lines below the market are also targets as price is approaching them, but they also act as support. So the lines above the market act as targets / resistance. Lines below the market act as support and targets as well. So we have a line right here at basically the 1400 level. And you can see the price traded up to that 1400 level, which is this blue line right here, traded above it, and it's pulling back down to it, slightly below it, because it's a target and it's also a resistance level for a period of time. So it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. If you look to the left-hand side of your screen, what took place? The same exact thing took place, but it took place at another level we have, which is below the market at 1311. Price hit this level as a target and also acted as resistance for many days right here. We actually traded up to on the 29th all the way up to that 1400 level. So we can expect the price to, for at least a period of time, find some resistance right where it's at. It perfectly hit its target at 1400. Now, we don't know how long it'll stay here. It could close below that tonight and then trade down to sideways, but it hit the target, which is very good. Below that, we have a target at 1311, which was not hit on the 2nd. It was close, but it broke through today, and it actually went to its next level above the market, which is where it's at right now, 1400. And let's take a quick look below the market. So look at all the support that came in right at one of our levels, which is 1134, 1134. You can see the price trades down to that level and finds support. So that is exactly how these levels work. And you can see the price right now is actually trading. Let me go to the 3-minute chart real quick. Let me put this on the auto mode. Look what the price is doing currently on the 3-minute chart. Blasted up past our target, pulled back to it. Now it's turning it into resistance for at least a period of time. Doesn't mean it's going to stay under here, but we expect a reaction when we get to these lines, a reaction. Let's head back to the daily chart. So we have another, looks like 2 levels above the market, 1587, guys, and then also up there at 1872. Those are 2 more targets above the market, 1587 and 1872. Those are both price targets for Shiba. Both of those, if the price can get above and get to those levels, break major highs. We're breaking this high over here on the 29th. So if we can break that high, that would be really good for the price. That would take us definitely up to 1587. And then if we break that high on the 29th, 1587, it takes us over here to this high, which is the 14th of August. And then if we break that high, which is 1794, heads us right up to the 1872 level. So keeping in mind, though, just how the price is finding resistance right at one of our levels, which is 1400, the same thing could take place up here as well as up here. And we expect that for at least a period of time. So just like the price over here on the 14th of August, we did trade above our 1587 for 4 days, but eventually it found resistance and moved lower. And that is very normal price action when we get to these levels we have on our charts. The same to the downside, though. So as price, if you flip this chart upside down, that would be support at these levels. So key takeaway tonight, if you're watching this, is the price could find a little bit of trouble getting above this 1400 level. I mean, it's had a very nice breakout right to a target / resistance. If some more buying power comes in, then the next target I would personally be watching would be the 1587 level. And if for some reason the price continues to go higher, well, what do you know? 1872 would be the next target. So that is going to wrap it up for tonight. I don't have any more targets above that. I will actually come out with those in the next video. Try to get that out tomorrow morning. You can see that the 1872 level, guys, which is our top level so far that we have on the chart for tonight's video, correlates with major support over here back in the January of 22 level time frame, excuse me. So when that was broken, it found resistance right here, and that's also a very major resistance level right now. So the price will struggle when it gets up to there, if it gets up to there. So that level is 1872. Below that is 1587, and we are currently trading right now at one of our levels at 1400, and the price is at 1414, so it's trying to get itself above that level. Things are looking quite bullish here for Shiba, but I will be watching those levels: 1400, 1587, 1872, guys. From the breakout to where we are currently at, Shiba Inu is up 17, almost 18% in 3 days. Not too bad. Guys, if you are not yet subscribed, join us. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We'll catch up with you guys in the morning, bright and early, and we'll revisit Shiba Inu and see where it's at, as well as Casper and some other assets. All right, guys, have a great night. Take care.